Hey there, folks. If you're scratching your head over the E43 error code on your GE washing machine, don't worry, we've got you covered. This quick guide will walk you through what it means, why it's happening, and how to fix it, all in just a couple of minutes. Let's dive right in. First off, the E43 error code on your 2025 GE washing machine typically signals a problem with the water pressure switch or possibly a blockage in the drain system. This can happen due to issues like a kinked hose, a faulty sensor, or even mineral buildup from hard water. It's frustrating, I know, but the good news is that many of these problems are easy to troubleshoot at home. To start, make sure your washing machine is unplugged for safety. Check the inlet hoses connected to the back of the machine. Ensure they're not kinked, crushed, or blocked. If everything looks good there, inspect the drain pump filter, usually located at the bottom front of the unit. Clean out any lint, coins, or debris that might be causing the issue. Once that's done, plug the machine back in and run a test cycle to see if the error clears. If that doesn't work, try resetting your washer. Hold down the power button for about 10 seconds, or unplug it for a full minute before restarting. This simple reset can often resolve minor glitches. Remember, if your machine is still under warranty, avoid tampering too much and contact GE support instead. One more tip. To prevent this error in the future, regularly clean your machine's filters and use the right amount of detergent to avoid residue buildup. If you've tried these steps and the E43 code persists, it might be time to call in a professional technician. They can diagnose any deeper electrical or mechanical problems. There you have it, you've now got the tools to tackle that E43 error head-on. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home appliance tips. Thanks for watching, and happy washing.